The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Abacus Subtraction, example 842 minus 599. In this video, let us demonstrate 3-digit abacus subtraction with the example 842 minus 599. Let us set the number 8, 4, 2 in the extreme right side of the abacus. That is, number 8 should be set in the hundreds column, 4 in the tens column, and 2 in the units column. The number to be subtracted is 599, which can be set in the extreme left side of the abacus for reference. Now let us start the process of subtraction. Firstly, the number 5 of 599 should be subtracted from the number 8 of 842, as we start with the higher digit numbers in abacus addition and subtraction. We clear 5 beats from the hundreds column of the number 842, and the result at this stage is 342. Let us move on to the tens column. So here the number 9 of 599 should be subtracted from the number 4 of 842. As 9 cannot be subtracted from 4, you can clear one bead in the hundreds column. What you have done? Instead of clearing 9 in the tens column, you have cleared 1 in the hundreds column. That means you have reduced 10 instead of 9. The complement 1, that is 10 minus 9, should be added to the tens column of the number 842. You can notice that all 4 beads in the lower abacus have already been used, and therefore you have to go to the upper abacus. So move the only bead there towards the separation bar, but what we need is only 1. Therefore 4 should be subtracted from the 5. You have added 5 in the place of 4, and therefore the remaining 4 should be cleared from the tens column. You can note that this problem involves an operation within an operation in a column. Now let us move to the units column, where we have to subtract 9 from 2. We cannot subtract 9 in the units column, and therefore you have to go to the tens column and subtract 1. Here the only bead available at the separation bar is 5. So how to reduce 1 from here? Simply clear 5 from the upper abacus and add 4 in the lower abacus. The problem is not over yet. You have subtracted 10 instead of 9, and in order to compensate that, you have to add 1 in the units column, and the answer is 2, 4, 3. This is a typical example of the involvement of many operations within the columns 2 in addition to the operations between columns. These kinds of exercises will definitely sharpen the skills of visually impaired students in doing abacus operations.